Good morning, students. Today I will demonstrate you the experiment of biology of class 11th, and the experiment is to prepare a temporary stand mount of leaf epidermis to show the structure of stomata. So now let us start the experiment. For this experiment we require leaves. These are the leaves of Tritistaceae plant. From this leaf, we will remove the epidermis from lower surface. So for that purpose, I am just peeling the leaf, its lower surface, to separate its lower epidermis. Do it carefully. And as the epidermis is begin to remove, with the help of, you can see, the epidermis is removing. With the help of scissor, you cut its piece and put it water. Cut it very carefully and put it in water. Now take a slide. This is the slide. On this slide, you just keep that epidermis. On the slide like this. It should be flat. Now on this, add a few drops of safranin to stain it. Wait for some time. After some time, the epidermis will take the stain. Now you remove the extra stain. Better if you wash it with water and remove the extra stain. So this is the stained epidermis of leaf, this one. Now on this epidermis, put a few drops of glycerin to mount it. This is glycerin. And now cover it with cover slip very carefully. Precaution should be taken that there should be no bubbles. Carefully you put it on membrane like this. There must not be any entry of bubbles. Remove the extra liquid from the slide and make it neat and clean. So this is the slide, and this slide I am showing you in microscope. The slide is already fixed in microscope. I already fixed this slide in microscope, and when you observe this slide in microscope, it looks like this. You can see very clearly all these cells of leaf epidermis. All these cells are of leaf epidermis, and in these leaf epidermis, these are stomata, 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 stomata. You can see clearly that these stomata are closed. There is no space. These are the two guard cells. These are the two guard cells. You can see the two guard cells. Guard cells. In each stomatal aperture, there are two guard cells, and in between a very small gap you can observe here. This gap is stoma, but in other it is closed, so no aperture is visible. And the surrounding cells are subsidiary cells, and all these cells are the epidermis of leaf. One more thing, you can see that these guard cells, they have chloroplast. The guard cells are green, having chloroplast. But other cells of epidermis are not having chloroplast. This anatomical feature helps in opening and closing of stomata. Thank you.